Hi guys! Diyan na sa kami dire. Sorry sa kainit sa panahon. Amoy ni ang view ng San Benito Mangrove. At to guys, amara si za kita ko sa Ezo, wait lang. Parang may chocolate hills doon. 'Di ba guys, ang ganda. So, ito yung napakagandang view ng San Benito at nandun yung kanilang mangrove. So, super nice kayo. Super nice talaga. Bisaya, Tagalog na tayo ngayon. So, yun lang guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow my ano ba? Ay, don't forget to follow my page and YouTube channel and my Facebook. Ano pa? Basta, don't forget to follow Etel Arpina. Okay, thanks for watching guys, and don't forget to follow the channel of my hubby, my buddy, my partner, Ad Arpina. Thanks for watching.